We're designing and building a window and a frame for an exterior door. We have an engineering change notice, and now we have to do a workaround, and then we're going to remiter the frame. That's coming up right now. A modified version of the drawing. We're going to cut a 16th inch. We're going to cut a 16th inch gutter in right there into this piece. And I wanted to make it. It needs to be 1/4 or 1/4 inch, but if you make it 1/4 inch, then the glass may or may not fit. So what I've done so far is to get these two guys lined up so that I have this exactly this distance away, which is going to be 5/8 of an inch. And of course, to get the height adjusted, I used a square, and what I did is just take the square. See, because I don't have anywhere to measure the height, so take the square, and I just measure the height right there. So I know that the height is going to be 1/2 inch because, well, I think it's going to be 1/2 inch plus a 1/16 of an inch in addition to that. As always, goggles for eye protection and headset for hearing protection because this can be pretty loud. Let's turn it on. That's my test run. That's just to see if I'm doing what I think I'm doing, and it looks like I'm cutting a little bit more than I want to cut here. In fact, I'm cutting into this, and I don't want to cut into this. This dimension has to remain what it is. I believe we have it just about adjusted correctly. Alright, so I want to knock 1/8 of an inch off of this thing total. How am I going to do it? So what I do is I'm going to bring this first. I guess I'm going to get everything ready. I'm going to get me ready more than anything else, which is to get the goggles and the hearing protection on. The machine is plugged in and ready to go because once I get this adjusted, I'm going to have to just go. Now there's a safety button on here. You have to press this in order to start it. So it's not going to start unless you press the safety button. So I do have one. The first thing is going to be bring this down and bring my piece of wood right up against the blade. Now I don't want to put too much pressure because I can see I'm bending the blade as I pick, but I do want to get up here and just touch it. Okay, so I've got this in place, and I'm holding it in place, and then I've got a little 8 right here. I'm going to put a mark right there, and then I'm going to slide down. I'm going to take the 1/8 of an inch all at once. I'm going to take a 16th first, and then see if that does what I want it to do. And if it does, then we'll take the next piece off. Okay, so the next, of course, is just to make the cut. I was watching this, and it was pretty plain to me that it made a pretty clean cut, and it just took a sliver off. So the next thing is just try it, see if it's knocked the 16th off and made this a little bit smaller. Okay, so and just cut this piece, and you can see that it has cut right at about a 1/16 of an inch off, so it makes it a little bit smaller. And does it make any difference over here? Obviously no. This side is still at 21 inches, so I want 21. I still want an 1/8 cut off of this one. So, and this looks like just a hair under 21 in the middle, but we definitely hit 21 minus the 16th. So I'm going to take the other 16th off, and we'll have a look at it and see how things look. Thanks for watching my program. If you like my videos, be sure and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And for an organized listing of my YouTube videos, go to my website, www.wherearemyplacebos.com, and click on videos. Have a great day.